Dave's Killer Bread is ready to rock your January reset with killer taste, killer nutrition, and a chance to win a VIP concert prize pack. Text RESET to 73876 to enter. No purchase necessary. Visit daveskillerbread.com/reset for details.
This podcast is sponsored by Talkspace. You know when you're really stressed or not feeling so great about your life or about yourself? Talking to someone who understands can really help. But who is that person? How do you find them? Where do you even start? Talkspace. Talkspace makes it easy to get the support you need. With Talkspace, you can go online, answer a few questions about your preferences, and be matched with a therapist. And because you'll meet your therapist online, you don't have to take time off work or arrange childcare. You'll meet on your schedule, wherever you feel most at ease. If you're depressed, stressed, struggling with a relationship, or if you want some counseling for you and your partner, or just need a little extra one-on-one support, Talkspace is here for you. Plus, Talkspace works with most major insurers, and most insured members have a $0 copay. No insurance? No problem. Now get $80 off of your first month with promo code SPACE80 when you go to Talkspace.com. Match with a licensed therapist today at Talkspace.com. Save $80 with code SPACE80 at Talkspace.com.
Welcome to Gardening with Ben, your go-to podcast for all things green and growing in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a budding enthusiast, or just curious about cultivating your own slice of nature, you're in the right place. Join me, Ben, as we explore practical tips, inspiring stories, and the latest trends in gardening to make your outdoor space bloom with life. From allotment adventures to wildlife-friendly gardening, I'm here to help you grow your passion and reap the rewards. So grab your gloves, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this year's gardening journey. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gardening with Ben. Well, happy Sunday. How was your weekend day yesterday, everybody? How was your Saturday? Did you manage to get out in the gardens? Did you manage to get some work done? Yes, I did. I certainly did. And it was absolutely freezing down on the allotment this weekend. Well, hopefully it'll be a bit warmer today, but yesterday I forgot my body warmer, so I was absolutely perishing down at the allotment. But hopefully we will remember it today when I go down. And if you're listening to this podcast early, send me a message, remind me to take my body warmer with me to the allotment. But yeah, hopefully we'll get plenty done down at the allotment today. So what did we get done down at the allotment yesterday? Well, yesterday I obviously feed the cat when I get there, and it's now started waiting on my fence, perched on the fence, and as soon as it saw me walking down, it ran to the shed to get fed like we feed it every single day. So yeah, it's starting to wait for me now. It knows when I'm there. And obviously I fed the birds as well, and I think the squirrels are pinching my bird feeders. I really do, because they're disappearing. I don't know where they're going to, but yeah, they're definitely hiding them somewhere. So we've got to go out and get some more bird feeders, which is a pain. So we got that to do. But we filled the bird feeders that were available to be filled up. So yeah, we got that done. What else did we get done? I spilt some bird seed on my bench when I was feeding them up, and the robin came in my shed and started eating it all. They're so tame, robins. They just appear and come close to you. And I was sat down in my shed and I managed to get a good photo of the robin perched on my tripod. And yeah, I posted that on Facebook and Instagram. So if you've not seen that photo, have a look at it. It's an absolutely fantastic photo that I got of it. And
you just realized your business needed to hire someone yesterday. How can you find amazing candidates fast? Easy. Just use Indeed. Stop struggling to get your job post seen on other job sites. With Indeed sponsored jobs, your post jumps to the top of the page for your relevant candidates, so you can reach the people you want faster. According to Indeed data, sponsored jobs posted directly on Indeed have 45% more applications than non-sponsored jobs. Don't wait any longer. Speed up your hiring right now with Indeed. And listeners of this show will get a $75 sponsored job credit to get your jobs more visibility at Indeed.com/kidsandfamily. Just go to Indeed.com/kidsandfamily right now and support our show by saying you heard about Indeed on this podcast. Terms and conditions apply. Hiring? Indeed is all you need.
At Kroger Pharmacy, care is what's most convenient for you. Care is being here when you need us. We're open evenings and weekends. Care is helping you save more. Most insurance plans and discount cards are accepted at your local Kroger Pharmacy. Care is saving you time by managing your prescriptions online. You can request refills, check order status, and more. Care is convenience that works for everyone. Kroger Health, a world of care is in store. Services and availability vary by location. Age and other restrictions may apply. For coverage, consult your health insurance company. Visit the pharmacy or our site for details.
Hopefully the robin will keep coming back. That's what we want. I'm definitely tempted to get some robin houses down on my plot. I've obviously got blue tip houses, and I've got some sparrow houses as well. So we just need to get some robin houses next to House of Robins in on my allotment. But they tend to like hedges, the robins. So yeah, somebody's just liked my post now on Instagram, my robin picture. But yeah, thank you for those that are following me on Instagram and liking it. We got 400 new followers on Facebook last week. Wow, it's certainly starting to blow up. And I am obviously posting more and more content now. I'm posting videos, I'm posting information and giving tips. And the last few days we've posted tips on what to do in the garden in January, what to start planting. We've also shared about how to look after cyclamen that you're growing indoors, how to look, what to do with your allium bulb once, not your allium, I've forgotten what it's called. It'll come back to me. But it's the one that we all grow at Christmas. So what to do with that bulb when it dies back, and also what to do with the slugs in the plot and how to prevent them from coming onto your plot. Obviously, we can't stop them completely, but we can try and prevent them as much as possible. So I'm going to talk about that in one of my podcasts, what I'm going to do coming up. So yeah, everybody seems to be enjoying all the posts. And we filmed a new YouTube video, what's out. So if you're not following me on YouTube, go over to my YouTube channel and go and have a look at that. We've shared a tour of my allotment, showing you what's growing, what's not growing. I've been showing you my sweet peas, my geraniums, all my spring bulbs, what are starting to come out. So go over and have a look at that video. And if you don't follow me on YouTube, do give me a follow, and then you'll see the videos come up as the year goes on. So we've done that. What else have we done today? We've been busy tidying my polytunnel up. I am a real pain with my polytunnel. I just tend to chuck stuff in there. And then at this time of year, I spend ages tidying it all out. So I need to start being more tidy this year. That is one of the plans, to be more tidy. And then I don't have to do all this tidying up in the winter period. I'll be saying the same thing next year. But yeah, we've done that.
Kroger Delivery has one mission: to deliver the freshest food right to your door. That's why our drivers are pros. Our trucks are refrigerated. And when it comes to low prices, we always deliver. With $20 off your first order of $75 or more, there's no better time to get in on the action. Mission accomplished. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
2025, are you ready to rock? Dave's Killer Bread is ready to rock 2025 and your reset this January with killer taste, killer nutrition, and a killer sweepstakes to win a VIP concert prize pack with round-trip airfare, luxury hotel stay, and much more. Text RESET to 73876 and enter for a chance to win Dave's Killer Bread. Bread amplified. No purchase necessary. Visit daveskillerbread.com/reset for details.
What else did we do? We've been sorting out all our canes because they were all in my polytunnel and they've still got all the wires on and string attached to them, and they've got old runner beans, plants that had died on what were fastened to them and stuff like that. So we've been tidying all them up. We've tied them all up and hung them up in a shed. That's all done and all sorted. But yeah, we've done quite a lot down at the plot today. And we've had a massive delivery today, which I weren't expecting to come today. and it was a big box from You Garden, and they've delivered, mate, 3 big 30-litre pots, and we've got some potato fertiliser. We've got 3 varieties of potatoes. We've got Desiree, we've got Rocket, and we've got Charlotte. So we're going to be starting them off, chitting them soon. So we'll be filming that, showing you how we chit them. And the question is, do you chit or do you not chit? To chit or not to chit? That is the question. So send me a message. Let me know if you chit or you don't chit. I'd love to hear what people do. I tend to chit. I've always done that, and then I always plant them on Good Friday. Even though it changes every year, I always plant them on Good Friday. It's to do with the moon. But we'll be talking about that in a podcast coming up, how to start chitting your potatoes and how to grow them. So we'll be doing that. And what else? We've got a bonsai tree being delivered. Not an actual tree. We've got 5 seeds. So we've got them to plant and try and grow. I've never grown a bonsai before. And to start one off from seed, it'll probably be a tree by the time I'm dead. So I'll probably be planting it in remembrance of me. But yeah, I'm looking forward to giving that a try. It's all good fun. I love trying new things and different things. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll be posting my videos for that on YouTube and Instagram and sharing the progress with how it gets on. But yeah, it's been a very busy day down at the plot today. To say it was freezing cold, I actually got quite a bit done. And we'll be back down at the plot today. We'll be recording, I'm going to try and record 5 videos for you for this week. So stay tuned for them. There'll be more informational videos rather than demonstrating videos, because there's not much to demonstrate at this time of year. So it's a bit like my podcast, but you'll actually be able to see me. So we'll be doing that, and hopefully tidying some more of my polytunnel up, getting a bit more done. And by the time it comes to summertime, it should be spotless. But yeah, we'll hopefully get lots done down at the plot tomorrow. It doesn't sound like I've done a lot, but it feels like I've done a lot, if you get me. So hopefully we'll get lots done.
Kroger Delivery has one mission: to deliver the freshest food right to your door. That's why our drivers are pros. Our trucks are refrigerated. And when it comes to low prices, we always deliver. With $20 off your first order of $75 or more, there's no better time to get in on the action. Mission accomplished. Restrictions apply. See site for details.
You just realized your business needed to hire someone yesterday. How can you find amazing candidates fast? Easy. Just use Indeed. Stop struggling to get your job post seen on other job sites. With Indeed sponsored jobs, your post jumps to the top of the page for your relevant candidates, so you can reach the people you want faster. According to Indeed data, sponsored jobs posted directly on Indeed have 45% more applications than non-sponsored jobs. Don't wait any longer. Speed up your hiring right now with Indeed. And listeners of this show will get a $75 sponsored job credit to get your jobs more visibility at Indeed.com/kidsandfamily. Just go to Indeed.com/kidsandfamily right now and support our show by saying you heard about Indeed on this podcast. Terms and conditions apply. Hiring? Indeed is all you need.
Today. So we'll be back tomorrow with another podcast talking about what we've got up to today down there. And then I'll be having podcasts throughout the week. Hopefully I'm going to get them all recorded this weekend for you to listen to all week, because everybody loves my podcasts. And thank you for all the messages that I do receive about my podcasts. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, until tomorrow, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Gardening with Ben. I hope you've enjoyed our chat and picked up some tips to help your garden and allotment thrive. Don't forget to stay connected with me on all social media for even more gardening inspiration, updates and behind the scenes content. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Just search Gardening with Ben. Hit that follow button or subscribe button and join our growing community of garden lovers. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben.
You just realized your business needed to hire someone yesterday. How can you find amazing candidates fast? Easy. Just use Indeed. Stop struggling to get your job post seen on other job sites. With Indeed sponsored jobs, your post jumps to the top of the page for your relevant candidates, so you can reach the people you want faster. According to Indeed data, sponsored jobs posted directly on Indeed have 45% more applications than non-sponsored jobs. Don't wait any longer. Speed up your hiring right now with Indeed. And listeners of this show will get a $75 sponsored job credit to get your jobs more visibility at Indeed.com/kidsandfamily. Just go to Indeed.com/kidsandfamily right now and support our show by saying you heard about Indeed on this podcast. Terms and conditions apply. Hiring? Indeed is all you need.
Your neighborhood just got cooler with Kroger Delivery's refrigerated trucks. Simply order groceries at the same great prices online as in-store, and we'll bring them to you fresh every time. And if that wasn't cool enough, you can now earn 4 times the fuel points after 4 with your digital coupon. Choose a next-day Kroger delivery time slot for 4 p.m. or later on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Must deliver by February 4th. Restrictions apply. See Kroger.com for details.